Imagine having a personal AI expert that has read every single document you give it and can answer any question about those specific documents. Not the internet, not random training data, just your documents. That is exactly what Google's NotebookLM does. And the latest version is so good that researchers, students, and consultants around the world are calling it the most useful AI tool they have ever used. Point 1. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a free research tool by Google. You upload your own sources, PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube videos, web articles, anything. NotebookLM reads all of them and becomes an expert specifically on that content. You then ask it questions and it answers using only your uploaded material with citations showing exactly where each answer came from. It is like having a research assistant that never forgets anything you give it. Point 2. The audio overview feature. This is the feature that went viral. NotebookLM can take all your uploaded documents and generate a podcast-style audio discussion between two AI voices explaining and discussing your content. A student in Delhi was preparing for the UPSC exam, uploaded 5 months of current affairs PDFs, and listened to personalized podcast summaries during her morning walk. This is a genuine game changer for learners. Point 3. How to use it for studying. Upload your syllabus, textbook chapters, and class notes to NotebookLM. Then ask it to create a study guide, generate practice questions, identify gaps in your understanding, or explain a difficult concept in simple terms. Because it only uses your material, answers are directly relevant to your exam and not filled with general internet information that may not match your syllabus. Point 4. How professionals can use it. Upload a competitor's annual report, a market research document, or a pile of client emails. Ask NotebookLM to summarize key themes, identify risks, or extract specific data points. Consultants are using it to analyze RFP documents. Lawyers are using it to review contracts. Journalists are using it to find patterns across hundreds of articles. It does the reading so you can do the thinking. Point 5. The limit of 50 sources. NotebookLM lets you upload up to 50 sources per notebook. That is a lot. Each source can be a long document. For most study or research projects, 50 sources is more than enough. You can create multiple notebooks for different projects, and all of it is completely free with a Google account. Point 6. Why it is better than asking ChatGPT. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it answers from its training data, which may be outdated, incorrect, or irrelevant to your specific context. When you use NotebookLM, it only uses what you gave it and tells you exactly which source each answer comes from. The citations alone make it more trustworthy for academic and professional work than any general AI assistant. NotebookLM is completely free and it is one of the most underused AI tools by Indian students and professionals. If this video helped you understand what it can do, subscribe for more tools like this every week. Tell me in the comments what you would put inside your first notebook. Exam notes, work reports, something else.